Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Preview Reve Art, a new AI model for generating high quality images. It delivers better quality than Midjourney or Leonardo with the stunning professional results. And all images are copyright free. To get started, click on sign up. You can register using Google, your email, or your Apple account. A pop-up will appear. Enter your name, select both checkboxes to agree to the terms, and then click create account to proceed. Now that we are in, let's take a closer look at the incredible AI generated images available on Reve Art. This advanced AI model produces stunning high quality visuals that rival professional artwork. The best part, every image is completely copyright free, giving you the freedom to use them however you like, whether for personal projects, creative designs, or commercial use. Let's explore the gallery and see what this powerful tool has to offer. If you take a closer look, you will see that the images generated by this AI model are of superior quality compared to other image generation tools. You can easily generate or edit images here. Let's select this image and we will quickly show you how to edit it. We'll copy the prompt and go to the Qwen.ai. Now let's try changing the background of the image based on the prompt. The image is now edited in the background. Based on the prompt below, you will find various options to adjust the image size to how many images you want in the output, and decide if you want to enhance the image for a better quality. If you prefer a lower quality image, you can turn off the enhancement option. We have selected the 4 output images and the result looks amazing, like they were taken by a professional photography. Now that we have seen how easy it is to edit an image, let's move on. To create our own prompt, we will use Deepseek to generate a detailed prompt, and this time we will create an image of a tiger. That's the end of the video. With a Reve Art, you can create a high quality images with a better size and resolution. The images are professional and free to use. If you found this helpful, please like and leave a comment if you have any question. You can also find the link to our site below if you want to learn more about AI and how to make money easily using it. Thanks for watching.